A flat tire could be a huge inconvenience to your daily routine. Luckily, most new vehicles have a spare tire and tools to help you carry on with your day. Never attempt to change your tire while exposed to passing vehicles. Park safely away from traffic. Engage the parking brake. If your vehicle is parked on a hill, make sure to find something to place under a tire to prevent it from rolling away when you jack up the vehicle. The tools and spare tire will be located below the trunk liner. To release the spare tire, all you need to do is unscrew the cap holding it in place. Use your hands to turn the jack until it sits against the lip or jacking point. Then, move on to the tools when the jack is in place and jack up the vehicle until the tire is no longer touching the ground. Remove the flat tire and install the spare. Tighten the lug nuts by hand before lowering the vehicle. Lower the vehicle, then tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. There should be text on the spare tire mentioning the maximum safe speed you may drive with it. It is recommended to replace the spare tire as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel for more videos like this.